Hi, second graders, and welcome to Lesson 5 of EL. Today we're going to be comparing and contrasting. We're reviewing how to compare and contrast. We've already practiced this earlier in the school year with schools around the world. For example, we compared our school to a tent school. We also practiced this last week when we compared people and caterpillars. When you compare, you look at what is the same or the similarities. How are they alike? What do they have in common? What do they both have? Well, when you contrast, it's just the opposite. You're looking at what is different, the differences. How are they unlike? What is not the same? What does only one of them have? We use Venn diagrams to compare and contrast. Things that are different go in the outside circles, and things that are the same go in the inside circles. Hint: if something is the same, you only put it in the middle. You do not also put it on the outside. Let's practice with Miss Ataco's pets. This is my cat, Elsa. She's 6 years old. And this is my dog, Heidi. She's 11 years old. Let's compare Elsa and Heidi. We're going to look at what is the same or the similarities. How are they alike? What do they both have? You might have said that they are both pets, that they both need food and shelter, that they both have 4 legs, or that they both like to play. Now let's contrast. Let's look at what is different or the differences. We want to think about what is not the same between my cat Elsa and my dog Heidi. We want to think about what only one of them has. You might have said that Elsa is a cat, but Heidi's a dog. She can climb trees, but Heidi can't climb trees. She has really short legs. Elsa won't walk on a leash. I've tried. It does not end well. But Heidi loves to go for walks. Elsa purrs and meows because she's a cat, and Heidi howls and barks. And Elsa cleans her body by licking, but Heidi needs to take a bath, otherwise she gets really stinky. All right, second graders, now it's your turn to practice. You're going to go back to Google Classroom and complete Compare and Contrast Bees. Make sure you click on the little symbol to hear the directions. Can't wait to see your work.